Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that many of us struggle with, acne, and the products designed to actually help us tackle it. I've been testing the ProactivMD Adapalene Gel Acne Kit, a full 90-day system that promises to treat acne while keeping your skin balanced and hydrated. It includes the Adapalene Gel Acne Treatment, a green tea face cleanser, and a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. The kit is built to be a complete routine. The cleanser is formulated with green tea, making it gentle enough for sensitive skin while effectively removing impurities. The Adapalene Gel is a retinoid treatment designed to target blackheads, whiteheads, clogged pores, and blemishes. And the moisturizer steps in to restore the skin's barrier, reduce redness, and hydrate without clogging pores. Everything is packaged to support a 90-day treatment plan. In real-world use, I found the cleanser easy to incorporate into my daily routine. It has a light, soothing texture and a subtle calming scent from the green tea extract. The Adapalene Gel is a bit more specialized. It's lightweight but requires careful application, especially if you're new to retinoids. I noticed that applying it at night, followed by the moisturizer, made my skin feel protected and prevented excessive dryness. The moisturizer itself is creamy but absorbs quickly, leaving the skin hydrated without a greasy residue. What I really appreciated is how these three steps work together. The cleanser preps, the Adapalene targets, and the moisturizer restores. That said, a few things to note. Adapalene can cause initial dryness or mild irritation, so it's important to introduce it gradually. Also, while the kit is comprehensive, it's not a magic fix overnight. Consistency is key. On the pro side, the formulation of each product shows thoughtful consideration for sensitive, acne-prone skin. The gel is effective at reducing blemishes over time, the moisturizer is non-comedogenic and soothing, and the cleanser is gentle yet effective. Packaging is practical, simple, and keeps the routine easy to follow. On the con side, some users may experience irritation when starting Adapalene, and the price is on the higher side for a 3-product kit. Speaking of value, considering the quality of the ingredients, green tea for calming, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and Adapalene as a clinically recognized acne treatment, the kit is justified for someone serious about a structured acne routine. If you're looking for budget alternatives, single products like standalone Adapalene gels or gentle green tea cleansers exist, but you'll miss the convenience and synergy of the full system. Compared to other acne kits on the market, ProactivMD stands out for combining a retinoid with supportive cleansing and moisturizing, which many simpler kits don't do. The overall build quality of the products is solid, with sturdy packaging and clear labeling. ProactivMD also has a decent reputation for customer support if you have questions about how to use the products or adjust your routine. After using this kit for a few weeks, my skin's texture improved, breakouts were less frequent, and my skin felt calmer and hydrated. It's a strong choice for anyone looking to commit to a 90-day structured acne treatment, especially for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried ProactivMD, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.